Yeah, good morning, friends. So, yesterday we have seen the index has ended on a flat to negative, and today, on the back of positive global cues, we are expecting a gap up opening. As per the price study and positional outlook which we have been holding, the index holds uh, range to up over and above immediate 24,000 mark in Nifty spot and 55,000 levels in Bank Nifty spot. Though we are trading in a overbought zone and at a cluster resistance zone, these zone need to be looked for some kind of profit taking. But on the back of sector rotations and counter specific momentum, the indices are still holding up, which we are expecting that over a period of time should give up the gains and should retest and retrace back to retest the lower support levels. But till the time Nifty spot is holding over and above 24,000 mark and Bank Nifty is holding above 55,000 mark, we are not expecting any kind of major dip. So let the index give signals of profit taking, then we can look for some kind of short buildups. Yesterday we have initiated a Bank Nifty contra short strategy for May series, but that's a hedged one, and we have done that because the indexes are at a resistance zone. So as per the risk reward ratio, the contra trading short bets still remains valid, but as of the price study, we are not witnessing any kind of dip as of now. This is the start of the series, and today being the weekly closing, it will be important where the index manages to close. So till the time Nifty is between the range of 24 to 5500 zone, which is a resistance, will advise to trail stop losses. For the long positions, will advise to look for some kind of profit taking and wait for the further signals to go short over the market, so that we can expect the index to retest the support levels where we will be positioning ourselves once again on the longer side. For the day today, for Nifty futures, potential trading band can be 24,100, 24,500 zone. Dips towards 24,100 will be looked for buying, while pull back towards 24,480 and odd levels can be looked for contra trading short bets. For the 29th of May option study, the maximum call build-up is at around 25,000 and maximum put build-up is 24,000. So there also 24,000 level is going to act as an important pivotal point between bulls and bears, and that need to be kept in mind. So let the index Nifty 50 sustain below 24,000 mark, then we can see some kind of pressure build-up. Till then, the bias remains range to up. In respect of the Bank Nifty futures, which ended last session at 55 to 34 odd levels, today's range can be 54,800 to 55,800 zone. Buy on dip will be looked only at around 54,850 odd levels in intraday, while 55,800 and higher can be looked for contra trading short bets. Monthly OI data for Bank Nifty for this May series indicates 53,000 as maximum put build-up and 56,000 as maximum call build-up. So as mentioned earlier also, Bank Nifty has outperformed. It has attempted to bridge the underperformance gap of last 1 or 2 years, and currently Bank Nifty is up by almost 9% compared to Nifty, which is up by 2.5% this year as a whole. We have seen some kind of support from the IT pack and FMCG in last couple of sessions from the lower levels, and at the same time we have seen a sector rotation also. So we believe that this kind of sector rotation and momentum will continue, but once Nifty slips below 24,000 mark and Bank Nifty below 55,000 mark, one need to be cautious with the long positions, and even at these levels one should look for some kind of profit taking as mentioned earlier also. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.